Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy 4-ingredient lemon cheesecake mousse, and it's low carb, keto friendly, sugar free, lovely dessert to enjoy through the summer. And it's no bake dessert, and if you missed out, a couple of days ago I shared a video and blog post with 22 no bake desserts. I will leave the link to that down below. They're all low carb, keto friendly as well, and great to enjoy through summer. So I am going to get on and prepare my lovely mousse. We're going to start by whisking together the cream cheese, which I've had out the fridge for a few hours softening, and some stevia and lemon. Get that whisking, whip up cream, mix it all together, and it's just a beautiful mousse. So we're going to start by popping half a cup of cream cheese. I'm using this whole little tub, which is 150 grams, but if you get cream cheese tubs of 125 grams, use that instead. It will be absolutely fine. It's just nice to kind of use the whole tub, and I have measured it. It is half a cup. Now for the lemon, we're going to use the zest and juice of lemon. You can use half a lemon to a lemon, just depends how many carbs you want to allocate to your lemon mousse. Okay, I'm happy with that, and now we'll get the juice out the lemon. So squeeze over the lemon to get all the lovely juice out, and as I said, it's up to you if you want to use half the lemon or the whole lemon. Okay, I've used the whole lemon, got all those pips out, and now we'll just whisk in the stevia, and it's up to you how much you'd like to include in. I'm going for 2 heaped tablespoons. You might want to do a quarter of a cup instead. Really just depends on how sweet you want it. And we'll just give that all a nice whisk together. You just want a nice smooth creamy mixture. Smells so lemony. This is just like a lemon cheesecake, hence why it's called lemon cheesecake mousse. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's smooth, bubbly, so we're going to move it aside and get on with our cream. I'm using a cup of cream here. Use whatever cream you can whip up, whether that's pouring, whipping, double, heavy cream, any cream you can use that will be able to whip up. And then we'll just whip the cream until we have whipped cream. And there you go, beautiful whipped cream. And now we'll just fold the cream into the lemon mixture. And so I've got the 2 bowls. We'll put the lemon up front, and we'll pour in that beautiful whipped cream, and then fold it on through. We'll just fold it through to just gently mix together the whipped cream and lovely lemon flavor. It may just look like a big bowl of cream, but it's got lovely, luscious, light lemon flavors to it. Okay, that's perfect. Doesn't really need much to all come together. And then I'll just pour it into a little bowl. You can see the little specks of lemon through it. And I'm just going to pop the bowl. Look, beautiful, full of my lovely lemon mousse. I'm going to pop it into the fridge for a few hours and show you once it's thickened up. And my lemon cheesecake mousse has been in the fridge a few hours. It's difficult to focus because it's just so clear, but look how lovely and creamy that is. The longer it stays in the fridge, the more it thickens up, and it's just such a beautiful, light, luscious, lovely lemon mousse that just, it tastes like a cheesecake, but you haven't baked it, and it's just perfect to enjoy through summer. It's a lovely no bake sweet treat. And that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely lemon mousse a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions. I'll also leave a link to the blog post I shared the other day with 22 no bake easy keto desserts, so check that out for loads more sweet inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.